Look at the screen in front of you. That's Prezi. And today we have a talk about the presidential clique and the man them where Prezi have run him, who are the murder, and why is the police not going for Prezi. So that's what we're going to explore, and that's what we're going to talk about. The Prezi Trinidad Dudus and the Notorius presidential clique. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Look at this. This young man right here, so his name is Adiel. This is Prezi top shotter, and this is the man who them say kill J-Man. Now if you remember the video with K-Man 6 jump out of the car, this is the young man in the police vest and the bulletproof vest. This is Adiel. So as I said, them say this is the man who killed J-Man and the rest of man them. Now we're going through and we're going down Prezi Trinidad Dudus and the Notorius presidential clique. Now this one here in front of you, he's in the army and them call him Soldier Boy. As we move along, the next one in front of you, them call him, believe it or not, they call him Yakum. Now, his best friend is the Notorious Trinidad Zeeks by the name of Sunday. So you know Sunday is a real serial killer, you know. So anybody hanging out with Sunday, you know, so them is a sick motherfucker. Look at the picture in front of you. That's Wild Boy. Wild Boy is involved in executions, extortions, tax collecting, and he's also a muscle for the big man Prezi. Now he controls phase 1 and phase 2 in B-Town. Okay? Now you're looking at Chemist, one of his, when I say Chemist, I mean Prezi, because Prezi goes by the name Chemist too. You understand? And one thing I want you guys to know, if you notice about Trinidad, they copy the Jamaican style, and that's because the Jamaican them, they go into Trinidad and they train these guys, and now these guys are running wild. So just like how you have a Prezi in Jamaica and a presidential clique, it's by no coincidence you have a Prezi in Trinidad and a presidential clique. Now this guy here we talking about, Bobo. This is one of Prezi, our Chemist's biggest soldier. Now this guy lives on 19th Street and he runs a block in Crep. But guess what? He's not in Crep right now, because lately there have been a lot of things going on in Tobago, and right now Bobo is in Tobago doing shooting and all sort of thing, and Sunday is leading that operation. Now a lot of the external operation that goes on with the 7 camp, it's Sunday. So like when Wakadan get knocked off. That was Sunday behind it. You see what I'm saying? Even with Cayman 6, Sunday is the operational manager. So this guy, Bobo, he's not in B-Tam right now. He's in Tobago. And he's doing operation for the 7 gang. I'm just letting everybody know. Now, the fat boy named China. And you see him is a muscle. Him send people go rob and thief and them thing there. And anything him do, Prezi get a piece of that. Now, the one beside him, this one also, him is a do boy. Him is also a killer. And him come from Henry Street. And him take instructions from Prezi. But this boy right here, the one in the yellow, me I call him Question Man. Him is kinda low key. And the man them not really know too much about him, but him take direction from Prezi. Now, everybody know this one right here, so. Fat Joe. Him a wanna Prezi personal confidant. And him control a section of B-Tam. You say him is a top shotter and a top killer. And him take out the little old man out of my apartment and living at the old man apartment right about now. So this guy right here, him only come out to do certain kind of jobs for Prezi. Now, before we go any further, it seems like the feds them and the police them love Prezi because I am pressing their button and they went them deal with 6 Dan, okay? But it seems like Prezi is untouchable, and if they pick up 6 Dan and don't pick up Prezi, what it is doing, it's empowering the 7 gang. And it seems like Prezi have a lot of police in his pocket. And right about now, me I tell you now, me I get blood clot miserable. And I might have to draw out the big guns because right now I've been communicating with the big bad man police. But it seems like I am gonna have to go above his head, cause y'all, I showed you guys the numbers them that I got, you know, and I am trying to work with them, but it seems like I'm gonna have to push this some more. I want to know, why is the police them empowering the 7 and Prezi? Cause they went and get 6 Dan, but here is Prezi out and about, still doing his bullshit, still doing his extortion, still sending people to kill people, all sort of stuff going on. So I really want to know how much money is Prezi paying these police, because from what I hear, and I hear this from a good policeman, another police friend of mine, the police them be getting like 4 or 5 grand from Prezi and other gangsters, and them will do anything, cause I guess 4,000 is a monthly salary. I'm not too sure, but the police them, the money the gangster them giving the police them is turning a blind eye. With Prezi, how it works, when something goes down, the police them that he knows come and pick him up, take him to the station, him sit down there, chat, drink a beer, and then go back home. Now this needs to stop. This needs to stop. And with that said, let's move on to the next click member, yo. Now, the one right there on the left, that's Rashi. Him have the chain on the left side. Now the one in the middle, them call him Meds. And the one in the polo shirt, him name Rhino. Now, the one in the polo shirt, police cripple him. Time go out, they go rob and do certain things and police shoot him and cripple him. But all three of them is Prezi Goon. Rhino, Meds and Rashi. But really and truly, Rashi and Meds, them go out and them do enforcement and them do little shootings here and there. So if them know say yo, some man they upper Lavantel for go deal with, he must send them up there. Now, word on the street is that Prezi have been trying to take over the whole of Port of Spain. So he might link people at John. I really want to kill 6 Dan, you know. He might link people at Paradise, he might link people all over. So Prezi is on an uptick. So me really want to know why the police them not going to Prezi. Why them now go for him taxes? Why them now do certain things? It real serious because the government, they give a lot of money in terms of road projects and projects for the neighborhood and contracts. So the contractor them will be getting these jobs and this thing from the government. Pretty much a lot of them is getting extorted by Prezi, and if they don't do certain things, just like the youth who got killed in a video I did a couple days ago, the Indian youth, it's over a contract dispute. So if certain man in a certain area get the contract and them don't pay Prezi or pay Prezi goons, you best believe say them are dead. And that's what's going on right there in Port of Spain, Trinidad, with this thing here. So now this one here is a real killer. Him kill the water boy we dead recently in town, him do the killing, and him is a 7 member. Him name is Shaka. Them call him Shaka, the steel killer. And him kill the water boy in town recently, and now him a hide out over in Beetham Gardens and pretty much taking order from Prezi and the goons them. Now, why am I doing this video? I am doing this video to bring awareness and try push the authorities them to go after Prezi and get Prezi, because you can't have Tyson in jail and then Prezi is out there, he's the Teflon Don. It makes them feel immortal and invincible, and that's the wrong message the government is sending. Like I say, I am trying to preserve life. Believe it or not, I am trying to stop the violence. I am trying to slow it down. You understand? And Prezi right now, he is on a rampage all over Trinidad, Port of Spain. May I tell you now? The information I am getting about Prezi and what's going on, it's real live information that I am getting from inside of Beetham. So all these dons, if you guys don't want to listen to me and things happen to you guys, so let it be. You guys need to push Prezi out, because Prezi right now can't be trusted. Don't do no business with him. And this even go for the policeman them too. I'm telling you guys are gonna get caught up. Big things coming towards Prezi. Now, this is a warning to all of the don them in our Trinidad who work around Prezi. So the man them who have their own stuff going on and you guys link Prezi, be very careful. Right now Prezi turn it up with the police them, and him turn it up with the Muslim them, and he is trying to take over the whole of sea lots. He might try to take over Paradise. He might try to take over John, where all the Muslim them come from. He's trying to do the whole of Trinidad. So all of the top down and all of the hustlers out there, listen to stupid countryman. Do not trust Prezi. You understand? You see Michael St. John get killed, get shot. Okay? You see couple things going on. Read between the lines. Prezi right now is on fire, and Prezi will push you guys out to the police, and he will push you guys out to be killed, to take over your block or take over the contracts. Now, what you guys should do is push out Prezi. You understand? So make your move before he makes his. That's the best thing I can tell you now. But do not trust Prezi right now. Well, I did give Prezi some time to take out a statement and he didn't. So this is part of my video in pushing forward in doing what I am going to do, and hopefully we can see some action taken against this man, yo. It's like Shotty Mark. He need for Lego. Prezi need for retire and make some other youth start do the thing. You understand? Him kill too much people. Him demand them where they round him. They're not getting anything. Prezi have everything. See Plumpy Boss, them a sing, them can't reach nowhere. Meds Boss, the whole of them, all of the singer them round him, they're not getting anywhere. The only time them ever do anything is when him keep it. I mean, what kind of artists are these? So even the guys them who's doing music for Prezi, like Plumpy Boss and all of them, it's a shame you guys doing music and let Prezi let one turn against each other because of Prezi. Listen, nobody owes nobody nothing. You understand? If he had a problem with certain artists, Swanee, take it up in court. You understand? You have to do things the right way. Why you think Swanee is where he is and you guys are there? So Prezi is even holding you guys back in terms of music and in terms of moving forward. Any of you guys have ever performed on a show in Jamaica? The biggest place you guys go is probably Barbados. And the last time you guys went to St. Kitts, they nearly killed you guys over there, Plumpy Boss, because West Bank has taken over the Caribbean, except for Jamaica and Trinidad, because Prezi pushed him out, but they're still there because 6 Dan is there, and the 6 is there, and once the 6 is there, West Bank is there. So Plumpy Boss and Plumpy and Meds Boss, you need for rethink on a career also. You understand? If this is the way you want to go down, because you soon dead. People soon kill you when Prezi not about, because Prezi not gonna live forever and you guys are a moving target. Listen, I am doing this to try and make a change. Believe me, this video right here is very, very fucking stressful. And you know, sometimes I don't even know why the hell I am doing this, but I'm keep on pushing. But yeah, my name is Countryman. Remember, to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. And please, may I tell you now, be careful of Prezi, and that's for the people them in Prezi camp, as well as the people them outside camp will deal with him. Prezi right now is nuclear.